Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap boxing gloves that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Fabrinam boxing gloves, a unique offering that includes 2 pairs of gloves, one in black and one in red. These gloves are designed for beginners and children, making them an excellent option for families who want to train together or for anyone just starting out. The gloves feature EVA foam padding to provide solid protection for your fists and thumbs, ensuring you can punch confidently without worrying about injuries. Plus, the adjustable Velcro wrist straps allow for a secure fit and make them easy to put on or take off. The design is straightforward but effective, with a high-quality PU exterior and nylon interior that feels durable and easy to clean. While these gloves are not the most advanced on our list, their pleated design helps your fists stay snug, making them suitable for light sparring and fitness workouts. However, the gloves may lack the breathability and advanced padding seen in higher-ranked options, which can limit their use for extended sessions. Overall, the Fabrinam gloves offer solid value for the price, especially considering you get 2 pairs for under $20. They're ideal for beginners, casual users, or parents looking to introduce their kids to boxing or kickboxing. While they may not be the most durable option for heavy training, they're a budget-friendly way to get started. Pros include affordability and versatility, while cons include limited durability and basic padding. At number 4, we have the HLIN boxing gloves for kids, a lightweight and comfortable option specifically designed for children. These gloves prioritize safety with their gel impact protection foam and durable PU leather construction. They are easy to clean and maintain, which is a huge plus for parents looking to keep their kids' gear in shape. The mesh ventilation system is an excellent touch, keeping young hands dry and sweat-free during training sessions. With their hook and loop wrist closure, these gloves are simple to put on and take off, making them perfect for kids who might struggle with laces or more complicated designs. They also provide decent wrist support, which is crucial for preventing injuries in young learners. The gloves are compact and lightweight, making them comfortable for smaller hands, but they might not be suitable for older teens or adults. These gloves are a fantastic starter option for children who are new to boxing, kickboxing, or Muay Thai. At just $14.99, they're an affordable way to introduce your child to the sport. However, they are not built for heavy-duty training and may wear out faster under rigorous use. Pros include affordability, breathable design, and child-friendly features. Cons include limited durability for advanced training and a lack of size options for older kids. At number 3, we have the Valkyria boxing gloves, a versatile option for men and women looking for solid performance at an affordable price point. These gloves are designed for sparring, heavy bag workouts, and general training in boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, and MMA. The outer material is made of durable leather, and they come with a 2-year warranty, an impressive feature for gloves under $20. The gloves are lightweight yet sturdy, allowing for comfortable, long-duration use. The fit is snug and secure, thanks to their ergonomic design, which suits both beginners and intermediate users. While they don't boast the advanced padding of premium models, they provide adequate protection for light to moderate training sessions. Their sleek, all-black design makes them visually appealing, and the dual stitching adds to their overall durability. These gloves are perfect for users who want a straightforward, no-frills option that performs well in various training scenarios. At $16.99, they strike a balance between affordability and quality. However, they might not be suitable for competitive athletes or those seeking specialized features. Pros include a versatile design, durability, and a long warranty. Cons include limited advanced features and basic ventilation. Coming in at number 2 is the Sawans Punch Bag Boxing Gloves, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $10.99. These gloves are made of synthetic leather, neoprene, and stretchable spandex, offering a surprising level of comfort and flexibility for their price. The sweat-wicking spandex interior and gel pads provide a decent grip, making them suitable for light training sessions and casual use. The neoprene wrist wrap with Velcro closure ensures a snug fit, while the rubber gel and foam padding offer basic protection for your knuckles. While these gloves are affordable, they do come with trade-offs. The build quality is decent, but not designed for heavy-duty use. The padding is sufficient for beginners, but might not hold up for intense sparring or heavy bag workouts. These gloves are ideal for martial arts training or body combat sports where impact is moderate, but they lack the durability and advanced features of higher-ranked options. Overall, the Sawon's gloves are a great entry-level choice for users on a tight budget. They're lightweight, comfortable, and versatile, but they may need to be replaced sooner than more expensive models. Pros include affordability, flexibility, and a lightweight design. Cons include limited durability and basic padding. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the RDX boxing gloves. These gloves are the premium option on our list, priced at $34.99, and they deliver outstanding performance and durability. Made with advanced Maya hide convex skin leather, they're built to withstand intense training sessions in boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, and MMA. The Quadrodome 3 padding, featuring EVA foam and SpongeX sheets, ensures effective impact dispersion, allowing you to train confidently and comfortably. One standout feature is the patent-pending Loma Tech design, which improves alignment between the fist and thumb, enabling you to form the perfect fist for more accurate punches. The gloves also feature a full wraparound wrist strap for maximum support and easy adjustability. With strategically placed ventilation holes and a sweat-wicking perforated palm area, these gloves keep your hands dry even during grueling sessions. The RDX gloves are ideal for serious athletes and intermediate users who want professional-grade features without breaking the bank. They balance durability, comfort, and performance exceptionally well. Pros include advanced tatting, superior wrist support, and breathability. Cons are limited to a higher price point compared to other options on this list. But the quality more than justifies the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.